Welcome back, folks. Me and Teacher are about to cook dinner for tonight. Well, we're going to slow cook dinner for tonight. We're having lentils. Bob's Red Mill green lentils. We like the green lentils for the texture. They're a good source of fiber and iron. And they got about 10 grams of protein per serving. And I make the most delicious lentils in the world. So stay tuned and find out how. Okay. Right, so now you're going to measure out 1 cup of the green lentils. And you're going to rinse them really well. Get them good and clean. Alright, now we're going to make 2 cups of vegetable broth using this. Better than bouillon. This stuff is the good broth. Use this. We just got a big old scoop in there. And we got the filtered water that's going to heat up and make some real yummy broth. So yeah, always use this, folks. It'll make it taste way better. Alright, so we're going to add our broth. Add a small can of V8. And then we're adding these, not for really the seasoning, you know, of it or the taste, but for the health benefits. So garlic, ground garlic, oregano, which is a natural antibiotic. That's why we're putting it in here. I know it's not spaghetti. That's good for you. Turmeric, natural anti-inflammatory, good for lots of stuff. And black pepper, which is an absorption enhancer, so helps you absorb all the healthy stuff. Alright, now we're going to add our carrots, celery, and onion. And also, I like to add a can of corn. So then we're going to put the lid on there. And it's on high, and we're going to let that cook for about 6 to 8 hours. Alright, y'all, so here's dinner and tomorrow's dinner. We got my lentils, which are amazing, with some tzatziki and carrot. We got half a baked potato with some butter and pepper and salt, and a yellow dragon fruit. So yay! See you later. Bye.